Hi guys, today I'll show you how I did my Mitsubishi Delica camper conversion. First of all, me and my wife started measuring the whole thing and making a 3D model on SketchUp. After that, we decided the most suitable layout and made a cardboard prototype. With the layout tested, we made a floor template with cardboard, which after would become a 6mm MDF sheet. All the cabinets were designed as the prototype, and the wooden pieces were allocated in the 16mm MDF sheets in order to make better use of them. Okay, now let's see the result of the project. This is a foldable 220 watt solar panel I bought on eBay. It's 550 millimeters wide. It was the only one which could fit in between the sunroof, not to block it. We installed a L-shaped steel bar so the panels wouldn't fold anymore and to be easily removed. Removing only 4 screws, we can easily remove the panel from here in case there's shade on the car. So we can place the panels on the ground using this extension lead I bought from King's. We have the end of some plugs in here. All the cables go inside through the roof cable entry. We had to make 2 holes and seal with silicone around. This is a 59-liter water tank I bought from Anaconda. We had laid one small rubber mat underneath not to get any scratches from the water tank on the roof. Here we have one valve that avoids leaking when not in use. And this is the 12-volt windscreen washer pump that leads the water to the nozzle. Just connect here. We install these 2 3-inch lights on the side because this is normally where you stay while camping. I bought these ones from King's as well. This is the switch for the lights, and we have run the cables inside onto the battery. That's the battery bay. We decided to make a cabinet to make it look better. We have one cup holder here and one rubbish bin over there, and we can also open the lid to have access to the battery box. This is the front cabinet. It's normally where we keep our clothes, so we have enough space to keep them. And if we slide the front seats forward like this, we have space for 2 people to sit inside, and then in total it fits 4 people here. This is a 18 liters Dometic fridge. The fridge dimensions were a huge challenge for the project because most of the fridges don't fit under the bed, and the bed couldn't be any higher or we wouldn't be able to use it as a sofa. So we had to fit in another place in here on the side cabinet, which couldn't be wider than this because of the bed width. This is the sofa which turns into a bed. What I have to do is pretty much grab these 2 pieces of timber and place them here. And then slide the sofa forward. That's it. This bed is 1.1 meter wide by 1.9 meter long with 6 centimeters custom-made cushions, which couldn't be thicker because of the actual height of the sofa. To turn to sofa again, we use this handle. Just pull it up. This is the side cabinet where we normally keep the camping chairs, frying pans and other big stuff. As we opted to have one gazebo instead of this side only, this is where we keep it while we are driving. For hot days when we want to keep the side door open, we have this Mosquito Net. That's it. It also has some magnets on the middle, which is pretty easy to close again. Well, that's the kitchen. We have 2 large drawers, 1 food storage, 1 2-burner stove, 1 sink, and 1 small drawer. Removing this cushion, it turns into a cooking bench. Here we have the equipment bay where we can keep the lights, tools, and some other small accessories. Here we have 2 large drawers with locks. This one here we can use to store large things as our inflatable stand-up paddle and the air compressor. In this other drawer we have the food storage with the inbuilt gas bottle, which is this one, and when closed we also can use this part to assist while cooking. So we have this huge area just to prepare the things. This is the collapsible sink. And here, and 2-burner stove, which is pretty handy to have each one next to each other. And to lock this stove, we have used 4 dowels underneath it. You can see from there, which locks it not to be moving while you're cooking. For this stove to fit in here was necessary some modifications to it, because the hose output was here on the right side and I needed it on the left side because there's where the hole is, right? For it to happen, we had to disassemble everything and flip it out, right? And then we had to make another hole in here, grind this space and fit this bracket here, back here, right? The small drawer can be used to store cups, small containers, cutlery, and everything that fits inside. If we are camping in an uneven ground, we can use this lock over here, not to get a drawer closed while we are using it. Making 3D plans before starting is the best thing you can do when it comes to organization, time saving, and space optimization. The very first step of this project was measuring all the usable space and drawing the software. It saves you to come back a million times to the car and try to imagine if something will fit. With the 3D plans, if you have done the proper measurement, can save you at least 90% chance of errors. Also, you can organize the pieces on the wooden sheet to avoid a lot of offcuts, extra sheets, and save money. It also saves time in cutting and assembling the cabinet. So this is how we have done our Delica camper conversion. Hope you like it. See ya!